If itch.io is showing an error has occurred, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back to browsing, downloading, and using the platform again. This issue can happen for a few different reasons, including server problems, network cache issues, or a bad desktop app install. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it without needing any technical experience. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes and tutorials. Let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is check whether itch.io is actually down. Sometimes the problem is not on your device at all, and the website or app may be having a temporary outage. To verify this, open your browser and go to the downdetector itch.io status page. Once you're there, look for any spike in reports or recent outage alerts. If a lot of users are reporting problems, then the issue is likely on itch.io's side, and the best solution is usually to wait a little while and try again later. If the status page looks normal, then the problem is probably coming from your own network or app setup, so move on to the next fix. Next, we're going to clear your DNS cache. A corrupted or outdated DNS cache can sometimes cause websites to load incorrectly or trigger unexpected errors. On Windows, open the command prompt as administrator. You can do this by typing command prompt in the search bar, right-clicking it, and selecting Run as administrator. Once the window opens, type ipconfig/flush DNS and then press enter. After that, you should see a confirmation message that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. This simple step forces your computer to refresh stored network information, which can often resolve connection issues with itch.io and other sites. If you're still seeing the error after checking the server status and flushing DNS, the next step is to reinstall the itch.io desktop app completely. A clean reinstall can fix broken files, corrupted settings, or outdated components that may be causing the problem. First, uninstall the desktop app from your computer. On Windows, go to Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps or Apps and Features, find itch.io and uninstall it. After uninstalling, don't stop there. You also need to delete any leftover configuration folders in your user profile. These hidden or leftover files can keep the same error coming back even after reinstalling. Open File Explorer and check your user folders for any itch.io or related application data folders, then remove them carefully. Once the residual files are deleted, download the latest version of the itch.io desktop app from the official source and reinstall it fresh. After the reinstall is complete, launch the app again and sign in if needed. In many cases, this clean reset clears the error completely. If it still appears, it's a good idea to restart your computer and try once more, because that can help apply the network and app changes properly. Also, make sure your internet connection is stable and that no VPN or firewall is interfering with the app. So to quickly recap, first check whether itch.io is down using downdetector, then flush your DNS using command prompt, and finally do a full uninstall and reinstall with the leftover configuration folders removed. These steps fix the majority of itch.io error has occurred problems and are the fastest way to get things working again. If this video helped you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more troubleshooting guides just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.